Alright, so another bike done. This one pretty much spare parts build. Neighbor was going to throw it out, so I snagged that up. Yeah, just a quickie paint job on it. Ain't my greatest paint job. I put like 5 damn minutes into it. But put a old cargo box from Walmart on there. I put on some new full pad hand grips, a mirror, LED light on the rear. Did some little F decals on the fender, and there's actually a sparkle clear coat on those fenders. They look really good in the sunlight, but of course it's Ohio, so we don't get sunlight. But just took it for a ride. Ride's really good. Might stain the box, I don't know, but I think I probably will end up putting it up for sale just because I've got so many other bikes going right now. So here it is, y'all. What do you think? Like I say, it's all spare parts. Turned out pretty decent. I'm happy with it. Ride's good, looks good, good enough. Later.